My name is Debrion Gonzalez. I teach 5th grade science at Meyer Elementary, and this is my 4th year teaching.
Now that we have deciphered everything, a copper wire. We know that copper is a what? Metal. Good.
Today's focus, we were focusing on circuits and electricity, ecosystems and food webs, and patterns in space. So my main goal now is to kind of jumble all of those things together, take all of the things that they know and put it in a format where they're going to have to use their brain to, switch back and forth.
Winter. It will be winter in the northern hemisphere. Good.
So I'm trying to get them used to pulling those things when they need it.
It's at the top of the food chain.
Great job.
My approach to teaching is very hands-on. So if you're a visual learner, I pair a lot of cool videos.
No. It goes up there.
I want to make sure that I'm getting all of my students' needs while I'm teaching.
Something there to connect. Okay, take it off.
When I graduated in December 2019, I was completely lost, because COVID came, the whole world shut down. Someone kind of told me, maybe you should teach. And I was like, teach? I could never do that. Those first group of kids, they completely changed me. That was just a big light bulb going off. This is my thing. This is what I'm good at, the relationships. I'm so relationship centered in everything that I do. I build trust with them, and in my classroom you can see that they can trust me. You are capable, you're resilient, you can go through all of these things, and I don't know, without getting emotional, they mean so much to me.
Thumbs up if you're ready to start.
You coming in every day pushes me to be a better adult, a better safe place, a better teacher. Your stories is literally what keeps me coming back every day. We're doing the necessary work. The kids need us. Keep leading with love. My students are my why. Their laughs, their smiles, their relationships. We can do it.